Hello, everyone. Welcome to RS Radio Channel. Today, we will talk about the question, which FM transmitter is best for community radio? The answer depends on how far you want to cover, not on big watt numbers. Most community stations need 1.5 to 11 kilometer range. That's why 30 to 100 watt transmitters are the most popular choice worldwide. Our RS-FM 50-watt transmitter is a top choice for community broadcasting. Clean sound, stable signal, easy setup, and a full 5-year warranty. Perfect for schools, churches, villages, and small towns. We offer 3 packages: single transmitter, which includes only the FM transmitter with basic power and audio cables; basic kit, which adds a dipole antenna and 30-meter RF cable for quick plug-and-play installation; and full station kit, which includes complete studio equipment for professional broadcasting. Select the option that best fits your project requirements. Real coverage depends more on antenna height than transmitter power. At 30 meters antenna height, 50 watts covers about 3 to 5 kilometers. 100 watts reaches around 7 to 12 kilometers. And 300 watts can reach 15 to 20 kilometers when terrain conditions are ideal. If you want the best transmitter for your community, start with 50 or 100 watts. The sweet spot for coverage, cost, and legality. Contact us for a free coverage plan.